My name is Shenaz Shamji, and I'm the author of the book Passage to East Africa. It's a fusion book of East African cooking, of Indian, African, Arab, different cuisine, different cultures forming different cuisines. And it's available, the book is available on Amazon. And for you, everybody, today I'm going to cook spicy masala mogo. Mogo is also known as Yuca, Cassava. When the Asian migrants came from India, from northern part of India, they had never had any encounter with this vegetable. It's a root vegetable, delicious, and they slowly started using this vegetable in their cooking. The Africans were already using it, and it's one of the most versatile vegetables. You can grill it, you can boil it, you can curry it, you can use it in coconut sauces, with chicken, with sweet corn, and as I've always say, you can fry it and have it with tamarind sauce, coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and though it's a new thing, it was a new thing to the Asian culture at that time. I think South India does use cassava, but now in the Western world, for the vegetarians, in an Indian restaurant, it's one of the very popular dishes that is spiced up, and it's also a street food. So as kids, we used to have it fried straight with lemon, salt, and red chili powder, straight from the fryer, and we used to all queue up to have it. So let's do spicy masala mogo. So the ingredients are 20, you can get this frozen, you can get it fresh as well, and peel and boil and everything, but if you want a quick fix, then we've got the frozen mogo available from Indian stores and also from different outlets now. And you pre-boil the mogo with salted water, make sure it's quite soft. Then we have 8 cloves garlic, 8 inches of ginger pasted, there's a lot of ginger there, 4 teaspoons of tomato puree or paste, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons jeera powder, turmeric, half a bunch of washed and chopped coriander stalks and leaves, juice of 2 lemons, 200 grams of tin tomatoes pulped, 10 tablespoons oil to make the sauce, and then we need the oil for the deep frying, and then we need salt to taste. First of all, we make the spicy masala sauce, okay? So, oil into a frying pan. Let's fry the garlic. Not over fry, just a gentle fry. And then the ginger. It's quite a lot of everything in there, but don't worry. Give it a little stir. You can smell the ginger and garlic. And then let's have the tomato paste. It needs a bit of cooking. The paste actually gives it that rich red color. about a couple of teaspoons of salt. And then we put in the dry spices. I would put about half the stalks at the bottom for it to cook, and the tomato pulped. Give it a good mix. Smells lovely, and the rich color. A lot of people just have fried mogo on its own with tamarind sauce, coconut chutney, any chutney, or just salt, chili, and lemon juice. So this sauce will now simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. In the meantime, we'll fry the mogo. So just do a little test to see. I'll just reduce the temperature of it's just simmering away, and then I'll fry the mogo. Okay. The oil shouldn't be too hot, otherwise you will get it quite brown very quickly. So I think it is, just reduce it. So maybe 10 sticks at a time. See? The sauce smells delicious. Like I said, you could just have the mogo on its own with the chutneys, but in this one we are actually making it spicy with the sauce. It's a very versatile vegetable, and we used to, as kids, buy it on the streets as a grilled mogo, peeled, and I actually used to dig out the mogos from our little farm outside, pull it out, and peel out the brown skin, and chop it up for my mom. And the grilled mogo used to be street food on charcoal, and a wooden griddle on the top, and it would be like cooking, and then we would have it with it's all browned and grilled, and then they would cut it open and put salt, chili, and lemon. And with fresh mogo straight from the ground, you didn't need to even boil it. It was that soft. So let's go. Be very careful with the oil. Okay. Just check on the sauce is almost cooked. Okay, the salt is cooked, the sauce is cooked, so I will put lemon juice in it. Mix it all up. Just taste for the salt. Perfect. And the mogo is almost fried. Okay, so it has to be crispy outside. Just turning a bit golden brown. If you over fry it, it can get very dry and hard. So I will take this as accepted. Put straight into the masala. After I fried the mogo, I put it into the sauce and give it a really good mix and a stir to make sure every mogo is coated with the masala. Okay. So are you ready for spicy masala mogo? Yes. Let's go for it. As you can see, I've used my favorite blanket at the bottom. It's a Masai blanket. Normally it's red, orange, very bright colors, and I love this blanket. My mother-in-law used to love it as well, and it kept her really warm, and she lived in it, so it's a very warm blanket. Bit messy, this dish, but worth it. You can reduce the oil if you want to. So here we have it all on the dish ready, and we'll garnish it with the coriander and my favorite pomegranate seeds. They add a nice color and a nice sharp tart taste to the mogo. And together we have tamarind or imli or ambli and tomato chutney with onion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This recipe is available in this book, Passage to East Africa. I'm the author of it, and it's available on Amazon. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.